Mama wakwaba wafreme Adjoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news.
Munya appointment no ayo go na to abawo ayo go na my people win elections go it's you ko no bi so fa new ideas emra na omabua na bibia tunya kama eti no ya for reshafu this wo na for you to so am show project here MPP aban for the past 7 years why last week me ka tell say yenja me ka se nipa ba ko ni timo odele na won ni Ghana forward da bia me da kwa me body former president mama sanya timo odele senso ya ni da ho bone ne ana won ni Ghana forward ya ana no ko ni because how come say omanya ya timro na ba bi ba kwa aboye of course yenya a lot of revenue every ho eya omana kuma say economy ni private be jare na so amanfo beti ya to won amanfo beti ya kire won a eja sa ho na ya timodele ale kan poya ne wudi samu a how on earth say ubetimi aton Tema port and a single individual how Bawumia Ghana for you do jasa ya kaya nyama nyina friba wunje mi yo na ultimate ton sa bia no ma private individual how say ultimate ton private individual na onuru na supervise taxes levies ayanche nyina ni take ani yedi adwuma how on earth ana ultimate ton Tema port anima okomani $7 billion per for 35 years Ghana for ensuo nyama bo akosuru nyina da amafo kam afafuro William Porter Vincent Bonare French ni brani no wonu ekwa 70% share Tema port Omani ka 30% pe et you see what can you make from the chaba 20 feet 40 feet container N.Addo do test inti want to go when I go blame former president John Zaman mama any NDC aban Obobi say N.Addo na muncha contract ni ye twabonye ye MPP ababa 2018 ana finance minister no eda say wo ko na contract no omakotwam ya 21 billion US dollars before yet terminate sa contract no sikani akofo ne he It's a uncha ye from bebrebe nyama bo akosu nyana aye otimodin for John Dramani Mahama waso say by president bi yate abisia mamencha wade bi MPP ababa ye na Kumase Lake Road to Besonche na enfutukwan kan na bi nko ele biaba it will take you so many hours to reach your destination MPP ababa ye Lake Road quite na for picture to suma me babi adu no project nkwa MPP ababa ye amanfo bu asante me je sai ana ba wo ba ye ana anya hwe ana kai ana anya bibia asante ba mu who told you say MPP ababa anya hwe asante me Nana for picture to suma me. You call Lake Road, yes, Sasena, yes, start road, yes. It is a Lake Road where a quiet that on television, so. And down Facebook, also. No more tell me, radio, no more show me YouTube, no more show me, Facebook, no. And yeah, now TV, no son, Yabro. Any baby, any kind, any voter agent, or something, where a lake, kind. A quiet. Nana adudan kwa kufrado ayo I was something with you how. Eti NDC communicators contact the DSS woman accommodate woman. Eko chat for say MPP ababa wanya hye wanya akwan ba kokora ekwan ni binie. We a double road mienu ko na mienu ba. Lake road ni nie MPP aban adaroma eno ya sa akwan wi. Edemu hye. Ufiri asokwa buwi ni kwa etom saa. Kwa we ya to look abono. Ana MPP aban ayo koma ya asante we haya ana kwan yi eda eti exercise MPP aban taxpayers money besi a watia no we di bia ya kwan a ya physical project a obiehu makase me nia tro eti mitumra na ma chese won mo fa kwan su di adanse se asew na make no enokre wo kwa na kro de kwa dom MPP aban na yeye NDC time 8 years not a futukwan. What was your certificate to Abama NDC for? A Toma Yaquino and Pa MPP Baye, Wayaquino. Oh, Gusua, Aqua Canano, Ogusua Warrior. Abisafo, Saquai, more boy among four. What how number for no more than as a good rock. MPP Adaruma, Aquai, Yaya, Adam. Cast to me first one, and yes, we give up. Well, for so many years, not a billy ho. Saquai, not a young futuquai. Saquai, now Manchamonka. A quan will be to corner with my patrols. Now, so MPP Abandaruma, like quite well. Yami Adumwa, your February, March, April, May. Tetiano Sana Bakwa Kumasi International Airport. His Excellency N.Addo, one of the Vice President, Omera. Not officially. One member Kumasi International Airport, man. First, second phase, the piano. Third phase, Baba. Yeah, Kumasi International Airport.
Just February. Yes, shuffle. Too late. Now we'll kick him say, yes, now say, the end amount. Shuffle, no more can. And I must see the end yama. Shuffle, and by so I say, too late. Into not come on in yana. What kind of nonsense is this? MPP for Mulusu election, I am party members now. My fan Shelly Debia. Mutie, mamu fan Shelly Debia. Because leader no they are the papa kure nam say mindidi no mindidi bi ekufu ade no bi si ankra na edidi me die mindidi ye Bawumia no na edidi Bawumia na edidi. You can't defend your own party's record. You are quick to put a dagger into the heart of your party, and you fucking tell me that is criticism. You are what? You are doing critique. That's stupid criticism, especially when it's not based on fact. That is stupidity. I'm sorry, but that is the fact. When what you are saying does not match with the data, it is stupidity. Omo tu Abama o say MP. Na sanka wo kwa ukuro mu kwa ye adwuma na ukuro mu efo hu se we ya. Wo do ani ato finance minister so say beba election a obeti scam am na mo de atoto sa am nkwa sie mo ne angwa no akocha me nkurasefo no so mo nkoto Abama mo. Ebu abomo mo di mu payment na na be yi no eno na mo de be campaign no ya ma mo foko. Ekufuado is not a timid guy to be bullied around. Do you know when Ken wanted to leave this job? Do you know when Ken Ufuriata wanted to leave this Ghana job? He didn't even want to be part of the second half of your government, if you don't know. 2020, he didn't want to be part of this stupid thing we were doing. After all Ken did from 2017 to 2020, showing NPP said, we have the men. Papa no ho kochire ne kakra musi yemfa ntu jaso enwro no ho. Papa no ho chire ne kakra yemfa ntu jaso yem forget 2017. And so some of you before fully be an support sankwa siasem no na mo mo de canofobia ta figures e de ko defend them ho e o mo constituencies. Now what they can know for real economic figures at the year campaign 2022 as someone to Yanaki in Ayabeti Asie. Na mo na mo sie se wo mukuta agene no ke ye be frɛ wo mu ni na do magu dan ba akumu no e na mo start here we mra na we nko we mra na we nko we mra na we nko and you spend total 3 years defending bullshit that NDC threw to us, defending stupidity that NDC threw to us, because Tema ni ye yanka one sem until now on sem ye nubiase for MPP for Tema chirami abaya waba wetumi aye Tema mahama ba eso ko ebuko marina sem mbuko marina bi awe omo ye no Tema honu hu ye chirami abaya when invested that much into the sports since independent chirambako MPP for no mon chirami abaya waba when invested that much into sports. Show me one. Since independent, and I'm not saying for since independent, I buy Ben West 10 stadiums. Mumo mame, why in Kroma, a Champon, Rollins, why Kufo, and now when they see 4 stadiums, when they see 10, I'm sorry, 10 stadiums. Some 4 stadiums near in your composo, a boar, and the different net here, eh? A born ye wusu muan ye de fran netie ene be si ye enye ska ne de ye nkurasefo amonti economics asena mudi emotions na kasa mudi emotions na kasa MPP fo ni bi ye nkurasefo to the point say ye ntia de na say nsu ye begina ho aka ho nkwase asem. Those 10 stadiums na ye si ye no mo say ekufo ado ne hwini mu nwi ena na odi si ana. And your finance minister been a quiet Jumama, ya who sika, a quiet who loan contract, and Bibia, Ministry of Sports, to me, yeah, be service, to me, those things, no. Or the Ministry of Sport just went into his pocket, brought money, and started building stadiums. And your finance minister, you want to know, make sure money is there for the country to run. He has done that. Even when he fell low, even in 2022, when all odds was against him, he was still paying you stupid workers. People don't get me started this morning with this nonsense about it's too late, it's too late, it's too late. It's too late to three so now some of you, I wonder the day you will take positions. Those talkatives, no, positions near Chamusomon my dear, you matching in the political party in the history of Ghana. And so you got to no mama, one more year, Jumano, had the propaganda, Sissimo, because of our bitterness. Bitterness, Nanquasia, some will go, young people for any bitrimuntino, young to me pony at on Yajuma.